Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best drone for professional photography. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5, Brand Name, RaySwati. Model Number, Z908 Pro Max. The machine adopts a classic three-dimensional folding design, which feels just right. Even after passing thousands of folds can still guarantee the stability of flight. Using advanced and intelligent object recognition technology, the flight process is performed by facing the aircraft. Make corresponding gestures. The aircraft will automatically take pictures or records within 3 seconds after intelligently recognizing the gestures. More convenient and more fun. The lens adopts a new generation of lens zoom technology. Through the remote control, you can zoom in and shoot the distant scene. During the flight, the drone will automatically maintain a stable suspension in real time. Number 4, Brand Name, Lenovo. Model Number, K6 Max. 360 degrees intelligent obstacle avoidance, effectively prevent collision damage, easy to use. 8K electronically adjustable 3 cameras, remote control angle, free to switch angle of view. Portable and folding design, folds out of space and can be carried with one hand. Optical flow positioning hovering, stable hovering indoors and outdoors. Novices can get started in seconds. Electronic fence protection, beyond the distance will not be lost, close to the signal will be restored. GPS follow function, intelligently identify the best distance to follow. 1-button automatic takeoff or landing, the drone will automatically take off or return to the takeoff position. Number 3, Brand Name, Lenovo. Model Number, 109L. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 8K high-definition Wi-Fi, and the optical flow high-definition lens at the bottom can switch the camera angle. The 3-axis gimbal design increases stability, and EIS electronic anti-shake is added to make the picture lines clearer. It has the function of altitude fixing mode, optical flow positioning and fixed point function, and the flight is stable. Ultra-long battery life, 3.7-volt 1800 mAh lithium-ion battery. Battery life is about 35 minutes. Gesture camera, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, super long battery life, obstacle avoidance gimbal components, no collision to stop when encountering obstacles. Number 2, Brand Name, RaySwati. Model Number, S2S. The S2 4K dual-camera RC drone is a compact and versatile drone made from high-quality plastics and electronic materials. Equipped with a modular battery, it offers a long-lasting flight time of up to 25 minutes on a single charge. The battery has a capacity of 2000 mAh and operates at a voltage of 3.7 volt. It takes approximately 120 minutes to fully charge the battery, providing ample time for extended drone flights. The size and weight of the product are light, and the body weight is 174 grams. Which can circumvent the National Aviation Control. With its dual cameras and high-resolution 4K capabilities, the S2S drone ensures stunning aerial photography and videography experiences. Number 1, Brand Name, Xiaomi. Model Number, G6 Pro. With its foldable design, this drone is easy to transport and perfect for on-the-go adventurers. With incredible features and boasting a sleek design, this drone is the perfect companion for adventurers, photographers, and drone enthusiasts. 1-button auto takeoff or landing. The drone will automatically take off or return to the takeoff position. Experience the thrill of aerial exploration with the Xiaomi G6 Pro Drone. Elevate your photography and videography skills while enjoying a seamless flying experience. Get ready to embark on extraordinary adventures with this exceptional drone by your side. With low power protection over current protection, interference immunity using 2.4 GHz technology,